All right, so if you're watching this video, you're probably thinking about doing a paving stone project. You're either got a pathway, a patio, a driveway, something that you've seen other people have paving stone. You're thinking, yeah, I'd like some paving stone. Let's make that happen. Beers on the patio, perfect. But the first question always is, how much is this going to cost me? Like, I have no idea. What is it going to cost me? Well, we can help you with that. And we want to make it as quick and painless as possible. Is this going to be a firm quote? No, but it is going to be the simple shovel paving stone quote. So here's what you're going to do. You are going to work your phone. You are going to take that phone and you're going to take a picture. When you take a picture of the space that you want, you could take a video of it as well. You just, follow along, point, yeah, I want a patio here and it's going to zig out here and whatever. Describe that to us. You're going to take a piece of paper, you're going to write out some rough dimensions of what that area is, what space we have to work with. From there, you're going to enter your name into the form on our website. You're going to be taken to an uploader page where you can upload those photos and those plans. We're going to have a look at them. We're going to get a rough idea. Here's what you're looking at for materials. Here's what you'd be looking at if you're going to hire somebody to do it for you. So then you can get a ballpark price. Is it a firm estimate? No. Is it good enough to order every product? No. But we can determine whether it's something that you want to pursue or not very, very quickly. So we can have that conversation up front, get you in the ballpark. If it's the right thing for you, then we'll take a next step. We will get some firm measurements and really design out the projects, figure out what you want to do for accent bands and soldier courses and different colors and textures and area rugs and all that sort of thing. We can do that, but that's not where we start, that's where we finish. So we can help you do the work yourself. We can find somebody to install it for you, no problem, but it all starts with a price. So let's make that as quick and painless as possible. We're going to cut to the chase. We're going to get you that ballpark price so that we can take the next step. So enter your name in the form. Get started. We're going to reach out. We're going to actually phone you. We are going to follow up and get you that ballpark price. So you know, what the heck is this thing going to cost me? What am I into it for? So that you can determine whether it makes sense to move on or not. We'd love to have that conversation with you. Let's get started.